Hello children, very good morning. I hope you all are watching video lesson and you all are telling your friends to watch. Those who are not watching the video lesson, tell them to watch the video lesson and whatever is there in your assignment questions, complete that according to your video lesson. So children, today in our maths class, we are going to start new chapter. Chapter number 11, circle. So children, today in our exercise 42, we will see circle and related to circle all that measurement. After that, we will see the circumference of the circle. And related to that, we are going to solve today's sum. So, children, already we had drawn one circle. Inside that circle, one point we make. This point is called center of the circle. This point is called center of the circle. So, children, here we had written that midpoint in between the circle is called center of the circle. Next one, from this point to any point on the circle is called center of the circle to any point on the circle. That distance is called radius. This distance is called radius. Suppose we had taken center O and this measurement A. A we are going to take. Then OA is radius. Suppose next one we will take from O to we are taking D. Then measurement of OD is called radius. So children, any measurement from center of the circle to the point of circle is called radius. Next one, diameter. Diameter, that segment should touch both the end point should touch circle of the center of the circle and that diameter should pass from the center of the circle and the diameters both end point should touch to the circle. Any point which one passes from center of the circle and that segments both end point touch to the circle is called diameter. So here A, B, or here we will take C or B. BC is diameter, or here A is there already, we will take E. Then AE is our diameter. Now next one is chord. So children, chord, if we had taken this point, chords both end point should touch to the circle, but it not necessary that chord always should pass from the center of the circle. For diameter, it is compulsory that diameters should pass from the center of the circle and the diameters both end points should touch to the circle. For chord, it not compulsory to touch the center of the circle. Therefore, only for chord, it should the segment should touch to the both end points should touch to the circle only. I hope related to chord, diameter, radius and point you all understood. So children, here diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. Diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. So related to all this information, I hope you all understood. Now we will move further to our page number 75. First question for recall what we are learned today. So children, here in our circle it is given. Suppose we will draw one circle which one is given in our textbook. So children, here we have drawn diameter AB, which one pass from AB, which one pass from center of the circle, that is O. Next one CF, this one is C and this one is F. Next one is called EC, this one is E. Now here some questions are given and one more is there, A and D. A and D you can take anywhere, doesn't matter. So here related to this circle questions is there, what is radii? In this circle we will write here radii. So children, radii OA, what I told, from center of the circle which one touch to the circle. So radii is OA, seg OA, OB, OC and OF. These four segments are there related to radii. Next one, chords. Chords AB. You can write chord or you can write seg AB, seg CF, 2 chord and seg AEC. EC 1 chord, second chord AB, third chord CF and fourth one is AD. Fourth one is say AD. Now diameter. Diameters, which one passes from the center of the circle? A, B and CF. Only two diameter is there in our circle. Say AB and CF. So children, related to our circle we had completed radii, chords and diameters. So in this way we can find out after this one we are going to find out circumference of the circle. What do you mean by circumference? So children, suppose we want to measure this circle. So we will take one thread and we will keep our one end point of that thread on the point A or point B. Suppose we are keeping that thread end point on A, then from here we will move that thread like this way, and when it will complete one round, when it will touch to the A, that much centimeter or meter, whatever is there related to your distance of the circle, that one will be your measurement of the circle. Now here in our board it is we had taken, therefore we will take in our centimeter. So children, like this way any measurement, suppose a cylindrical bottle or paper or something, with the help of paper or thread we can take the help of that measurement and we can find the circumference of that circle. In this way we can find out the circumference of the bangle, circumference of the cylindrical surface, any type of cylindrical surface. But to find out circumference, as the name is given, chapter name is circle, that should be, that object should be circular. In that way we can take the measurement of circumference. So children, related to circumference we are going to study more sum. That is, suppose circumference that is C upon diameter equal to pi. So children, here how you will find out? Suppose here C equal to, here circumference is denoted by C, radii or radius is denoted by R, chords as it is we are writing, diameter we are denoting by small d, radius small r, diameter small d, circumference C. So children, here C upon d equal to pi, therefore C equal to pi d or d equal to 2r. D means diameter and the diameter is the twice of radius, means OB and OA. Including both we are getting diameter, and the other way the twice of radius is called diameter. Therefore diameter equal to 2r. So here your circumference formula will be pi d, or pi, for d we are going to substitute 2r, that is 2 pi r. So children, our formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Related to this chapter, all these things are basic knowledge about circle and circumference. Now in real we are going to start our exercise 42. Till now we had not started, only information we had studied. So children, in our exercise 42, question number first, radius is given 7 centimeter, and we are going to find out diameter and circumference. So children, here in our question number first, a column is given. If you want, make the column, but I think it will be better if you will solve the question one by one. No need to draw the column. So children, question number first, 7 centimeter. Then from here radius, that is r, is given 7 centimeter. Diameter we are going to find out 2 pi r. And the circumference C is also not given. Therefore C equal to 2 pi r. With the help of all these things, we will find out diameter and circumference. So children, here diameter 2 into pi, that is 22. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. R is given this one, 7 centimeter. So children, 7 cancelled, and 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. Means your diameter you got 44 centimeter. So next one, circumference. C equal to 2 pi r. Therefore 2 into the value of pi is 22 upon 7, r, that is radius 7 centimeter. So children, when we will cancel numerator and the denominator, 7 will cancel, and here 2 pi and r. R is already given, therefore 44 centimeter. We got, here we had done the mistake. That is for this one, diameter, our formula is 2r. So 2 into r is 7, then 2 7 are 14 centimeter. So children, for diameter 2r 14 centimeter, and for circumference 2 pi r, that is 44 centimeter. Now we will go further for our next question, question number second. So children, here question number second, diameter is given diameter, that is D given 28 centimeter. And from here we are going to find out radius and circumference. So for radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is twice of radius, means radius is half of diameter. Therefore D upon 2, that is D given 28 upon 2, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 14 centimeter. Next one, C equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r 14 given. 14 we got. Therefore substitute 14. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So children, here 2 into 22 into 2. Here we got 2. Therefore 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8. 88 centimeter. In this question, we got radius 14 centimeter and circumference 88 centimeter. In the same way, question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, circumference is given and from that measurement we are going to find out radius and diameter. So, in question number 3rd, circumference is given 616 centimeter. So children, from here we are going to find out radius as well as diameter. So in circumference, write down formula C equal to 2 pi r. So children, C 616 given 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Here from all this we are going to find out r. Therefore 616, this 7 we are going to take on left hand side, and which numbers are in numerator, that numbers we will take in denominator of other side. 2 into 22 equal to 7. So children, here we will cancel numerator and denominator with the help of 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 0 ja 0, 2 8 ja 16. Next, 2 11 ja 22, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, then 2 4 ja 8, 154. So children, here 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44. Then what we got? R equal to, from here 14 and from here remaining number is 7. Therefore 14 into 7, 14 7 ja 98 centimeter. Now diameter we want. Diameter is twice of radius. Therefore 2 into radius we got 98. So children, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 1 19, 196 centimeter. I hope in which sum circumference is given. With the help of all this formula, you are able to solve the any type of sum. So next question, 4th one. In 4th one also, circumference is given but in decimal form. Now we will see how we will solve the decimal form of decimal type of sum. 4th question, 72.6 centimeter, and this one is circumference. From here we are going to find out R and D. So children, in 3rd question we have taken C equal to 2 pi r. C, that is 72.6. 2 pi 22 upon 7 r. Here also r we will keep in the same place, and this 7 we will take in left hand side, and which numbers are there in numerator, that number will go in other side in denominator. Therefore r equal to 72.6 into 7 upon 2 into 22. We have taken 72.6 into 7. So children, here 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. Next one, point is there. You all can see here. Therefore, point we will put. After that, 2 3 are 6. Again, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. 11 we got. From of 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. And this one, point 3 is there. What you will, with the help of 2 1 are 2. And we had cancelled 2 3 are 6. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6. After that, we will cancel with the help of 11. Therefore, 11 2 are 22. Here 11 3 are 33 and point 11 3 are 33. So children, what we got answer 3.3 into 7 upon 2. Now 7 3 are 21. 7 3 are 21 and plus 2, 22, 23. After one digit decimal is there, divide by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5, the point is there. When you will divide, what you will get? See here, 2 divide by 23.1, 2 1 are 2. Here 3, again 2 1 are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. This decimal, we can't put it down, therefore we will put here. And 1 we will take down. After that, 2 5 are 10. 1 and the 0 we will put and 2 5 are 10. Means you got answer 11.55. So children, write down 11.55 centimeter. And this one is your radius. So children, here you got radius equal to 11.55 centimeter. Now diameter we are going to find out, that is 2r. 2 into radius 11.55 equal to 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11. 2 1 are 2, 1 3, 2 1 are 2. So children, after 2 digit decimal is there. After 2 digit in your answer put the decimal, that is 23.10 centimeter. I hope everyone understood the cancellation of numerator and denominator. So children, step by step this cancellation I hope you all will observe. Now question number 2. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. So children, here in question number 2, so now we had started word problem. The circumference of circle is given, I am writing in symbol form only, 176 centimeter. From here you are going to find out radius. So children, r we are going to find out with the help of circumference. Then again you write down circumference equal to 2 pi r. Therefore 2 into pi value 22 upon 7 and r we are going to find out. And c is 176. So r keep as it is, that is r, or if you want remove from here and write here 176 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So children, here when you will cancel numerator and denominator, we will get 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16. After that 20, if you know the table directly, 22 1 are 22, 22 4 are 88. You can cancel like that way, or you can cancel with the help of 2 also. For example, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8. Again 11 1 are 11, 11 4 are 44. Means you got 4 into 7, that is 28 centimeter. So children, from this question you got radius equal to 28 centimeter. So children, related to our exercise 42, today we are going to solve till question number 2 only. In next class we will see question number 3 and 4, and related to more complicated sum is there, that one we will solve. Till here only related to our radius, diameter, chord and circumference was there. That one we had completed. So children, I hope today whatever we had studied, you all understood. So children, take care of yourself. Be safe, healthy and happy. God bless you children. Thank you.